tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, I hope you have already subscribed my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I keep on releasing. Friends, we have 3 channels from now on. We have Tarot Reader Shefali in English, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi, and Astro Vruksh by Shefali. So Astro Vruksh brand is going to speak about astrology, numerology, palmistry, Vastu, Astro Vastu, Astro Tarot, and many other topics like that in the months to come. Friends, every month I keep on releasing monthly readings on my Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi and in English channels. Do check out those readings. I will be releasing pick a card readings from next month onwards. Only pick a card readings we will be getting. I have already drawn a spread. In this video, we are going to speak about December 2020 predictions for your sun sign. Let's see what's in cards. Hi Geminis, let's see what's in cards for you for December 2020. We will start with your energy oracle card. We have woman holding a heart energy but in a reverse position. So somewhere this card is suggesting that some lady in your life is going to create some pain in your life. She's going to hurt you. She's going to make you feel sad and bad about being with her for some reason. So it could be your mother, it could be your sister, it could be your daughter or a close friend who is trying to backbite you or trying to hurt you or harm you and make you feel sad and hurt you. So you have to be a little careful with this lady because she doesn't seem to be with good interest. Coming to your relationship card, we have King of Cups, Upright, and Courage card. So King of Cups is very much endorsing that you are going to have a good time in terms of your relationship. If you are a female, you might expect your partner to behave like King of Cups, who is a very nice, warm, good-hearted person, very well connected, very strong, strongly emotional and caring and respectable person who is going to give you all the health, support, and security in the relationship. He's going to make you feel important, nurtured. It could be your partner, your father, your brother. It could be anybody in the relationship who is relevant to you, who has a power over your relationship, and that person is going to lead the relationship. So it is going to be a good time for you. If you're a male figure, this could be you yourself who is acting like King of Cups, or somebody whom you know, like your father or your brother, elder brother, or a good friend who is going to take care of you and nurture you and pamper you as a elder in the family and take care of the relationship. So the Courage card is saying that somewhere you have been through a tough time and now is the good time in this relationship. Enjoy it and don't forget your roots, of course, but enjoy the relationship which is at offer. So coming to your career card, we have got Moon card in the upright position followed by the Knight of Cups, which is suggesting that there is going to be some problem at your work in the coming months. So you might go through a very low phase, very depressive phase. You might feel stagnant. You might feel people are backbiting you. They are trying to pull you into politics, create some problems and issues around your work. And the work culture is looking really unethical and sad, honestly. So Knight of Cups is endorsing that there is some movement which was expected, a positive moment which is stuck now because of this political situation which is developed in the current situation. So abundance is still there. So the message is there is still a possibility of abundance, but you will have to be positively charged towards it. Don't get stuck in this unnecessary politics and stress and a depressive mode which is expected to prevail in the coming month in your cards. Coming to your finances, we have Six of Cups in the reverse position. Now, Six of Cups is somewhere suggesting that there will be some drainage of finances. There will be some expenses related to your friends or distant relatives, or somewhere where you had invested and you were wrong in that investment, or there is possibility that some of your family members or known people have acted little nasty in terms of your money matters, which has led you to losses, huge losses kind of, and which has suppressed you, which is suppressing you, depressing you and making you feel really lost. So don't worry, it is just a phase. Things will cope up, guys. Don't let it affect your health, because we can see that you have overworked, you have taken more than you can handle, and because of that there has been a collapse, and there is a possibility that you might be reviving yourself in the coming month with the maturity and rightful thoughts and rightful actions in the healthcare. You very well need to take this healthcare steps, otherwise you might go deeper in the bad situation in case of your health. Now soul healing is looking blocked. It means somewhere somebody has really deeply hurt you, because of which your soul is feeling sad and blocked, and it is not able to release its happiness and positivity. So you need to unblock this phase, and this can be done through meditation and connecting with your inner self. So just try to meditate and try to get to the divine connectivity. Emotional sensitivity is the message given by your angels. They are suggesting you to respect the emotions of yours as well as of other people around you. Don't be too harsh, don't be too rude, because you're going through a tough time. This is what karmic cycle is called as. So just take it as it is, and just try to learn lesson out of it, and just try to be a little empathetic to yourself and to people. So I hope this reading helps you guys, Geminis. A very good luck. I hope that this reading will help you to plan your December month in the best possible way. Friends, as I always tell you, this is a general reading, so pick and choose the advice that connects with you most. It's not necessarily that you connect with each and every spread or each and every card, because you are not meant to get a message out of this reading for this month. So let it be, just let it go. There is nothing right or wrong here. There is either you connect with it or you don't connect with it, which is very normal. Okay, if at all you are looking for a little more personalized reading, if you are going through a very serious issue in your personal life, you can connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID, which is displayed here on the screen. I'm very much active on my Instagram page, which is #Tarot Reader Shefali, and on my Facebook page, which is @Tarot Reader Shefali 01. You can check out my pages, follow them, like them, subscribe them, and keep on sending me messages if at all you are looking for a personalized appointment or a personalized session. You can anytime connect with me on my WhatsApp number. If I'm not able to pick up your call, it's better to drop a message on my WhatsApp or my Insta Messenger or Facebook Messenger, or even for that matter on my email ID. I ensure that I reply to it. Friends, don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family, as well as don't forget to pass it on to your Facebook groups, to your WhatsApp groups, because this is a free general advice which I offer to people, and maximum people can be benefited. That's the whole intent. Don't forget to comment on my videos. I really look forward to your genuine, sincere comments, whether they are positive or negative. I do appreciate your feedback. Please keep it focused on the reading and on the tarot sessions. I really would appreciate that, and I really hope that these videos are helping you. I would like to thank all the subscribers who are already part of this journey, and I would like to welcome new subscribers on board. So do spread the word between your friends and family about this channel, so that maximum people can get benefited through it. And I really hope they help you to plan your coming month, and very good luck to all of you. Take care, have a nice time ahead.